What's going on, everybody? I got a stock that you do not want to miss out on. But before I reveal that, we're going to talk about DJT. Boy, I got some great news for you shareholders out there. The short cover for tomorrow looks very promising. And far as Palantir, is it time to panic sell? Stick around, we're going to talk about it. But before we do so, welcome back to the Making Easy Money YouTube channel. Join along as we stroll down the road of financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe and let's dive right in. And just a quick reminder, I will be going live Friday, 10 a.m. Central Time with Alpha Trader as a special guest. So with that being said, make sure you get over to the live stream and hit that notify me button so you will be notified when the live stream starts. I will have this posted at the end of this video. Now, let's get ready to make some money. All right, guys, I'm just feeling real good about DJT and tomorrow's expectations. Not only that, this stock that I have for you guys has a nice return left on the table. And far as our Palantir goes, had to make it a little bit dramatic, guys. Of course, it's not time to panic sell. We're going to talk about where we are headed to from here. And if you haven't already, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help the channel grow. It forces YouTube into recommending the video to new viewers. Thus, this video get out to more people and the channel grow. So with the help of the audience, we can really get that achieved, that 100K milestone, guys. That's what we're shooting for. But as you guys can see here, healthy pullback here in Palantir. These last 2 days of trading, we have set higher lows, of course, and lower lows, which means our high was lower the following day consecutively, 3 days in a row. Sorry about that, coming from that peak of that $400. I mean, not 400. Sorry about that, guys. $44.39. Coming off of the high of the 439. We do see this pullback retracement. If we go to the day chart here really quickly, this is very, very healthy. What I would have wanted to see here on day 3 was bouncing off that mid Bollinger Band to the upside. So we do stand a great chance to actually challenge this here before a turnaround. But great news, huge catalyst here. Tomorrow is TSM earnings, and a company like Palantir will benefit for a earnings beat for TSM. So we're looking for a tech and AI sector turnaround just off of the TSM news alone. So be looking out for a turnaround on PLTR tomorrow. No, it is not time to panic sell, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, things have quieted down quite a bunch here in Palantir. As far as the volume go, these last 3 days of trading have slowly trickled away. But one thing I want you guys to pay very close attention to, what we have been seeing here, is a outflow flood. Okay, we have been seeing a outflow in favorment pick up here extremely the last 7 days of trading. So with that being said, we do want to see a turnaround on that. And far as the PCD looks here, we're still up high up there with a small number of holdings trapped here. From these last 2 days of trading. We got low resistance at that $43 level. So the turnaround is calling for tomorrow for us to revisit between $43 and $44 here in Palantir. Far as DJT. Now, if you're still holding DJT, let me know in the comment section below by commenting DJT. Of course, I know a lot of you people are very excited for how the stock has been trading here in a total obvious swing cycle. But what we do expect here tomorrow, of course, is a short cover. The reason being is price action. Not only that, we do see net inflow in favorment of that to 24.52 million coming off a 48 million outflow day, which means a lot of those short positions may be still lingering out there, which may fuel the continuation. But we do expect, again, a lot of short positions being taken here as well today due to, again, price action. As you guys can see here, yesterday's coming in at that close to 100 million in total volume, well close to 13 million shares were sold short on that day, which gave us a very great feeling that we were going to see a short cover take place if we do see the adequate pre-market buying pressure. That's exactly what we did see here, and we did actually see a nice short cover wave, not a massive short cover wave. Now, if we would have opened up here beyond, let's see, if we would have opened up here beyond that 33.85 here during today's trading, yes, this thing would have seen a massive short cover wave to around about $50, but that's not what we got here, ladies and gentlemen. We got what we got, and tomorrow we're looking for $34 to $37 levels. Like I told you guys before, a gamma squeeze may take place for DJT here on the 18th. And if you do want to know more about the gamma squeeze, I will have the video link posted at the top right corner. Make sure you check that video out if you haven't already. I go into grave detail and explain to you guys how the gamma squeeze is going to play out and what to look for. So again, make sure you check that video out. It's posted at the top right corner. And last but not least, of course, is our play you don't want to miss out on. And if you were a part of the Discord, then you may have caught it in real time, all right, which was LAC alerted here today for the entry price of $3.02, with that price target being $3.30 plus. We did reach and breach that, of course, and we take a brief look and just check out our LAC. And if you made it this far in the video, ladies and gentlemen, can you please comment the current time that you see here, so I will know how many people actually made it this far in the video. So with that being said, it should be around the same range. Again, comment the time that you currently see here in the video, and we will be giving away 90 days free on the Discord server, so you too can get these alerts in real time. So again, if you made it this far, comment the time range. I will know. Now, as you guys can see here, LAC, nice aftermarket buying pressure running as high as that $3.79 here in the aftermarket hours after seeing that close of that $3.29. We do expect to see a continuation here in tomorrow's pre-market for sure, maybe a gap up towards those $3.90 levels, but it isn't guarantee that this will stay afloat throughout the pre-market. We may see a slight retracement back towards those $3.60 levels, but for sure we do expect to see a gap up here in LAC in the pre-market. But far as that's for everybody that's already in it, that got into play in the Discord. But far as swing trading this thing, guys, I do feel as though that this is going to visit those $4.20 levels here before we see a major retracement here in LAC. We may even see those levels here tomorrow. So again, be looking out for this play to make a big move, and may the gains be with you. Want to know how to sign up for the Discord? Well, click the video on the left. And if you do want to subscribe to my main YouTube channel, click the channel link in the middle and check out my latest video on the right.